thick density, so you don't need a whole lot. So I'm going to use this one, and also I am going to use some of the crystal from Ultimate Crystal Kits, Perfect Combinations. Alright, outlines and holding. Okay, and go ahead with the No Wet top coat. We're gonna make it like have like a look like ornaments. Hopes everyone have a fabulous Tuesday. Just busy, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for the love and support. All right, crystal picker, and I'm gonna get the kits right here. Can I get the Ultimate Crystal Kit? Oh, Nico, hello, how are you? Hey, April from YouTube, Mika from Facebook, Nico from Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. Right there. It was like not focused at all because I have a kits right here. So I'm gonna place this bows. How is this? This is so cute. And then thinking of what we're gonna using. That was needs a little bit along. Maybe this one. No?
It might work.
Or even this one. Just make it look like an ornaments. If you want, you can do the longer one, or you can do a shorter one. Okay. It looks different. It looks super cute though. But I think I might want to do the other colors for this one, because I don't want it to cover that red. Do you know what's gonna be good? The metal frame, the straightened one. Okay. Hold still. I'll be right back.
All right, while she go grab that, just a quick reminder. Anything you see Nancy use, you can get them from our official website on glitzsuccessinsuch.com. Link in bio.
All right, I got some ideas. I want some bars on it. You can get the silver bars as well, but this one will have gold. It looks so much better with this gold. There you go. It looks better now? Cool, huh? It looks like you are dropping your ornaments on it.
And you know, it grow on a bunch of crystal, like a little tree.
That's what I have in my mind. But then, hey, I'll give it a try for a crystal and then see if it's work. Or even you can do a whole line up with the crystal as well. It looks cute as well. But I think exactly what I want. All right, check on this side to make sure they are right in the center, unless you want to do it on the side. It looks like a really cool of ornaments already.